Get ready for the DELATORRO experience.
Energy that was in the room, everybody up out of their seat. The information is life-changing.
The biggest room in the world is always room for improvement.
You accept the challenge that you will lead change, that you will overcome your challenges, and that you will commit to mastery. Say yes.
1% better in one area of your life that you care about every day. Write that down for me. I want you to get 1% better in one area of your life that you care about, personally and professionally, every single day.
Like a memorable night. I really enjoy it.
So sometimes we get a goal and we didn't get a chance for our character to develop enough to support the goal that we got. That's why you don't want the goal, you want the growth on the way to the goal. Get 1% better in taking care of your customers. Get 1% better in how you treat your coworkers. Get 1% better trusting your team more.
If you want to become incredible at anything in life, no matter what your industry, no matter what your profession is, be like a stamp. Stick to one thing until it delivers. Master one thing and do that incredibly well, and then you branch out from there.
You got to have hard skills and you got to have soft skills. Hard skills, time management, prospecting, telephone techniques, right? Closing skills, etc., etc. But you also got to have soft skills. Fortitude, grit, hustle, fight, persistence, dedication. These are soft skills that you need in order to take it to that next level. Commit to mastery, y'all. Motivation wears off. I say so does bathing. So does mascara. So does deodorant. So does toothpaste. So does makeup. Come on, somebody. So does cologne. Everything you put on every day wears off every day. That's why you apply it every single day. And if you want motivation to work in your life, you must apply it every single day.
Very enthusiastic.
And I want you to pull down some brand new love and say yes. I want you to reach up right now and pull down fresh joy and say yes.
Reach up right now and pull down a fresh passion for this industry as never before and say yes.
I want to reach up right now and pull down some brand new creativity and say yes.
I want you to reach up right now and pull down fresh faith and say yes.
Likes and comments do not equal sales. So you have to learn how to convert followers and fans to clients and customers. The battle in your life is over your comfort zone. Everything that you want in your life is on the other side of your comfort zone. So you've made up in your mind that this right here is the year. How many of y'all have ever had that situation in your life where you had a big goal, you wanted to achieve it, and you got the goal, and then you got the thing you said you wanted, and you still weren't freaking happy? So you cannot be motivated by the there, you gotta be motivated by the process.
He's just amazing. There's no other word for it. Every one of our employees will learn from the materials that we're going to bring back to that. He touches everybody's life in some way. He speaks to everyone in the room.